Well, when my clients come in and we sit down and chat and we find out about them, the first thing I tell clients is always be truthful in your answers to the questions that we ask. Be truthful in everything you do with our firm, with the insurance carrier. Don't exaggerate, don't embellish, don't make things worse than they are. Also, of course, in this day and age, I also tell them, do not post information about your case on social media. One of the common things that happens today with young people is they seem to want to tell everybody else about their lives. So they get involved in a personal injury case. They want to talk about it. So they go on social media and start talking about their personal injury case. What they don't realize is that the insurance carriers and defense attorneys are well aware of that, and they acquire that information off of their social media posts because most of it's public information. So what happens is when you file a lawsuit and you're claiming certain damages on behalf of your client, one of the first things you get from the defense in terms of discovery in the lawsuit is 20, 30, 40 pages of Facebook postings or Instagram postings by your client that discuss the case. Bad mistake, shouldn't do it, but you have to let them know that. We also send them a letter saying, whatever you do, don't post on social media. I tell them, don't post on social media. The insurance carriers want this information and nothing good comes from it. I've done a lot in my life before I became a lawyer. I was a director of public relations at Binion's Horseshoe in downtown Las Vegas. I was a maitre d' of the Piazza restaurant at Caesar's Palace before I ever went to law school. And after law school, of course, I've worked with a large civil firm, the largest firm in the state. I was a deputy public defender where I tried criminal cases throughout the system. I formed a practice. I built a law firm. I severed my relationship with the law firm. I went solo. I've had associates. I've done virtually every kind of work in the law from the beginning. But I began focusing on personal injury over 40 years ago. And I decided this was what I needed to do. This is what fulfilled me as an attorney, representing injured persons against insurance companies I find most satisfying. And of course, that's what I've done for almost all of my career.